Welcome to this cluster orientation for enhanced business operations and customer experience. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence can support smarter business operations, improve customer experience, and help you build practical skills you can apply in real workplace situations. Artificial intelligence is transforming business operations across industries. The key challenge is understanding how to leverage artificial intelligence tools and strategies effectively. Are you prepared to harness its potential? Welcome to the cluster. I'm Berry, your teacher. I'm glad you're here. You don't need to be a tech expert, just curious and willing to try. We'll learn together, and you'll be supported every step of the way. You'll study 2 units, Nat 1, 1287006, which focuses on improving customer experience with artificial intelligence by analyzing communication and satisfaction. Nat 1, 1287005. Enhances business operations by identifying inefficiencies and planning artificial intelligence solutions for smoother workflows. These 2 units are clustered to provide a comprehensive view of artificial intelligence in business. By examining both customer interactions and internal operations, you gain a full picture of artificial intelligence's role. The shared skills and case study ensure seamless learning, enhancing both customer service and operational efficiency. You'll learn to spot opportunities where artificial intelligence can truly benefit a business. Understand artificial intelligence tools like chatbots, automation, natural language processing, and customer analytics. Gain skills in reading business data to derive clear insights. Additionally, you'll explore using artificial intelligence responsibly, recognizing its limitations and ethical considerations. You'll create 2 portfolios. At 1 focuses on operational performance, requiring analysis of client data and artificial intelligence enhancement plans. At 2 centers on customer experience, involving artificial intelligence solution research and proposal presentation. Templates and examples will aid your preparation. Submit written answers, including knowledge questions and analysis. Provide data and screenshots via a shared folder link. Complete the provided templates. Send professional emails to stakeholders for approval. Record your presentation and include meeting minutes. All requirements are detailed in the help guides. Understanding how to apply artificial intelligence is crucial across various fields like operations, customer service, marketing, sales, and human resources. These skills are highly sought after in today's workplaces, offering a significant career advantage. You're not just completing a unit, you're gaining practical skills for immediate career application. To succeed, start by reading the case study early, as it forms the foundation. Watch help guide videos before assessments and use the provided templates for ease. Stay current with weekly activities, even unassessed ones. Avoid last-minute rushes. Support is available when needed. Stay engaged and complete every learning activity. Ask questions whenever something is unclear. Post in the discussion forum or message me through Connect. Looking forward to working with you.